bringing it.
Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions and I hope you guys are good. So, firstly, we are on the screen of Photoshop and I placed an image of a gorgeous lady. But I don't like her eyes color. So, in this video, we will learn about how to change the color of eyes in a very quick and easiest way. So, first, make a duplicate layer of this background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Just unlock it by clicking on the lock icon and name it backup and hide it. Now on the main layer, now we have to take an adjustment layer. Just click on this icon and take the adjustment layer hue and saturation. Zoom it and check the colorize option and select some color. And we have to color only eyes, not all the image. So to hide it, just click Ctrl or Command plus I to invert the color. Now take your brush tool, set the flow to around 8 to 10% and paint over the eyes. And be careful while painting. And for toggling between black and white color, just press X from your keyboard. Similarly, paint on another eye. After doing this, again take an hue and saturation adjustment layer. Press this icon, hue and saturation. Now check the colorize option and select some color. We can also change it later. And close it. Now to invert it, just press Ctrl or Command plus I. Now take your brush tool, set the flow to around 8 to 10 and paint over the black area. And make sure the latest adjustment layer is on the top. Just paint over it. Now, if you are thinking to change the color, just press over the layer icon and change the color what you want. I'm okay with this. Now, select the layers by holding Shift key and press Ctrl plus G to group it. Now see before and after. You might see pretty changes. Thank you.